friends, Yaz here, and today I have a super fun and easy do-it-yourself for you. I took this plain dollar store pumpkin sign and turned it into the cutest fall decor piece. If you love fall crafts and decorating on a budget, you're gonna love this one. Let's jump right in. The first thing I did was grab a piece of fall-themed scrapbook paper. I got a pack of it from Walmart and it had all the cozy autumn vibes. I used the pumpkin sign I got from the dollar store to trace around it and get the exact shape I needed in order to cover it up. Now I actually forgot to film this part on the front of the pumpkin, so I'm showing you here by covering the back. It's the same process. I traced the shape and cut it out to fit. Next, I grabbed my Mod Podge and applied an even layer all over the surface. Again, I forgot to film this on the front, so I'm showing you the steps on the back of the pumpkin. It's the same idea though. Once the scrapbook paper was glued down, I wrapped the edges slightly around to get rid of the wrinkles and bubbles on the paper. I used a scraper tool, but you could also use a credit card to help you with this step. After the paper was smoothed out, I added another layer of Mod Podge on top to seal and protect the paper. For the design, I hopped onto Cricut Design Space and found an adorable fall decal. If you don't have a Cricut, you can always use window clings, stickers, or even hand paint your own design. After cutting it out, I prepped the design and applied it to the pumpkin. I was really careful when applying the vinyl so the scrapbook paper wouldn't tear. To give the pumpkin some texture, I took some twine from the dollar store and wrapped it around the stem, starting from the top. I secured the twine in place after each wrap with some hot glue so it would stay nice and secure. Once the stem was fully covered, I cut the twine and glued it to the back. I wanted to give the pumpkin a little more detail, so I wrapped some twine around the edges. This gave it some extra depth and also covered up the plain sides. Starting from the inside of the pumpkin, I glued 2 rows of twine along the sides to make it stand out more. Once it was finished, I decided to add a short piece of twine to hang the pumpkin. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's the perfect touch of autumn for any space. For more fun do-it-yourself tutorials just like this one, click this playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye friends, happy crafting!